Hello, and welcome to Excel 2013's Essential course. My name is Barnaby Waits, and in this introductory video, we're going to talk about the different layouts of Excel, understanding cells, sheets, the ribbon, so that we know how to navigate around the Excel environment and its various menus. Okay, first of all, let's kick off with cells. Cells are the basic data storage mechanism for Excel. Within any given cell, I can write text, numbers, and formulas. It is also important to know that there are many more cells than the ones that are immediately visible in an Excel window. The rows run down all the way down to 1,000,000, and across I can count the columns to 65,000. The rows are simply numbered in normal numeric terms, but the columns run alphabetically from A until they reach Z, and after Z it doubles up the alphabetical process, so it's AA, AB, AC, etc. So how many cells are there in an Excel sheet? Well, calculating that 1,000,000 rows by 16,000 columns, I can actually tell you there's 17 billion cells in any given Excel spreadsheet. Now we're going to try not to use all of those, but it's still quite a lot of real estate to be able to work with. In fact, if I convert that into centimeters, meters, and kilometers, one Excel spreadsheet is actually 1.54 kilometers squared. And in fact, that's about 5,000 tennis courts worth of information. So we have plenty of space to work with within the Excel environment. So next, let's understand sheets. Workbooks are made up of sheets, and the cells that we're looking at are contained within these sheets. The sheets are effectively the canvas we will work with. This workbook contains 3 sheets. However, typically a new Excel 2013 workbook only contains 1 sheet by default. You can add or remove as many of these sheets as you want. So you have one workbook, which is the entire file. Within the file you have sheets, and within sheets you have cells, and then possibly tables and charts as well. Okay, let's go on to talk about the ribbon. The ribbon is the tool menu system that was introduced in Excel 2007 and looks to be here to stay. Within the ribbon, we are going to find all of the useful tools and functions that we need in Excel to work with the data that we've put in our cells. Within the Home tab, we're going to find the most common features that we'll use on a daily basis. Insert allows us to insert various objects like tables, charts, graphs, and clip art and other features. Page layout will deal with printing and formatting of the overall workbook. Formulas provide various formula auditing tools and ways to control the functions that we use. Data is a ribbon dedicated exclusively to extracting and exporting data into Excel. Within the Review panel, we have various options for controlling our different workbook versions and protecting our workbook. Within the View tab, we have various different ways to view the information within our sheets. There's one final tab that needs to be looked at, and that's the File tab, also known in Microsoft language as the Backstage view. The Backstage view allows us to access various file level commands such as New File, Open File, Save File, etc., and also provides a variety of information on our file. Well, we're coming to the end of our overview, and I hope you'll stay with us because there's lots to learn in Excel, from how to make a simple shopping list to how to make 4-dimensional graphs. That's just a quick sample of all we can learn with Excel. Please join me for the next episode.